See the second one. Second one, a equals to minus 18. Okay, I don't know the value of d. N equals to 10. An equals to 0. An equals to 0. Since an equals to 0, we will find the value of d. An equals to 0 means, what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 0. A value minus 18 plus n value 10. 10 minus 1. D value, we will find d only, equals to 0. So minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9d equals to 0. So 9d equals to minus 18 transpose left side plus 18. So d equals to 18 by 9. How much? How many times? 2 times. Therefore d equals to 2. Therefore d equals to 2. Now see third one, problem 3. Okay. So here a is now given, d equals to minus 8, sorry, d equals to minus 3, n equals to 18, n equals to 18, an equals to minus 5. Okay, ఇప్పుడు a find out చేయాలి. So we know that an equals to how much? Given an equals to minus 5. What is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 5. Okay. So a value తెలియదు, we don't know. n minus 1. So 18 minus 1. d value minus 3 equals to minus 5. So a plus 18 minus 1 means 17 into minus 3 equals to 5 minus 5. Okay. So a plus 73 is a 51 minus 51 equals to minus 5. So a equals to minus 5 minus 51 transpose right side plus 51. So 51 నుంచి 5 పోతే ఎంత అవుతుంది? 46. A equals to 46. Problem 4. A equals to minus 18.9. D equals to 2.5. We don't know any value. An equals to 3.6. Okay, we will find an value. Sorry, n value. We know that an equals to 3.6. What is the formula of an? An formula is nth term. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 3.6. A value minus 18.9 plus n value, we don't know, n minus 1, d value 2.5 equals to 3.6. Okay, so n minus 1 into 2.5 equals to 3.6 minus 18.9 transpose to left right side plus 18.9. Okay, so 3.6 plus 18.9 is 22.5. So this is the value n minus 1 into 2.5. So n minus 1 equals to 22.5 by 2.5. Observe that decimal after one number is there, here also decimal after one number is there. So it can be right 225 by 25. How many times? 9 times. So n minus 1 equals to 9, n equals to 9 minus 1 transpose to right side plus 1. So n equals to 10. Okay. First problem, fifth one. So a equals to 3.5. D equals to 0, n equals to 105. Okay, find the value of an. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d formula. So the value of a is the first term 3.5 plus n minus 1 105 minus 1 d value 0. So 3.5 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0. So 3.5 plus 104 into 0 is 0. So 3.5 plus 0 is 3.5. The value of an is 3.5. Exercise 5.2. First problem. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and A and the nth term of the AB. Fill in the blanks. Observe that in the first one A is given, D is given, N is given. Now we will find the value of AN. Okay, AN is nothing but nth term. See, A equals to 7, A equals to 7, D equals to 3, D equals to 3, N equals to 8. So what is the formula of AN? AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. So the value of A is 7 plus, okay, what is the value of N? N is 8. N is 8. 8 minus 1, D is 3. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 3. So 7 plus 7 3 is 21. So 7 plus 21 is 28. Exercise 5.2. Second problem. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of AP 10, 7, 4, so on is AP series lo 30th term ento మీరు చెప్పాలి. Okay, see what is the series? What is the series? 10, 7, 4, so on. Here A1 equals to 10, first term. A2 equals to 7, A3 equals to 4. Okay, so we don't know how many terms are there. So first choose the 30th term. Now I want to find first D. What is the formula of D? A2 minus A1, common difference. So 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. So now I want 30th term. First, what is nth term formula? Nth term. An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A value 97 plus N minus 1. Which term we want? 30th term. So 30. In N place 30. 30 minus 1. D value how much? Minus 3. So 97 plus 29 into minus 3. 97 plus into minus 29 into 3. 3 9 is 27, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 97 minus 87 is 10. Second problem, second one. 11th term of the AP minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on is option A 28, option B 22, option C minus 28, option D minus 48 and half. Okay, now we will find the 11th term. First, what is the given series? So 3 minus 1 by 2, 2, so on. So here A1 equals to 3, A2 equals to minus 1 by 2, third term A3 equals to 2. Okay. First find the value of D. What is the D formula? A2 minus A1. So that equals to minus 1 by 2 minus A1 value 3. 2 times minus 3, minus 6, minus 1, minus 7 by 2. Now we will find 11th term. First, what is the nth term formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. 11th term, A11 equals to A value 3 plus 11 minus 1, N value 11 minus 1, D value minus 7 by 2. Okay. So 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into minus 7 by 2. So 2 5 times. So 3 plus into minus, 5 7 is 35. So 3 minus 35. Wait, here A is negative 3. Observe that A is negative 3. So minus 3 minus 35 is minus 38. Progressions. Exercise 5.2. Third problem. First one. In the given following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. These are the APs. Okay, find the missing term. So first problem is 2 blank 26. First term, second term, third term. So first term A1 equals to 2. Here third term is there, A3 equals to 26. We know that A3 value A plus 2D. A plus 2D equals to 26. A is nothing but A1. So 2 plus 2D equals to 26. So 2D equals to 26. 2 transpose right side minus 2. 26 minus 2, 24. 2D equals to 24. D equals to 2 how many times? 12 times. So D equals to 12. Therefore, now we want to find A2. A2 equals to the formula is A plus D. A value is 2. A value is 2. D value is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. So the value of A2 is 14. Third problem, second one. A1 blank, A2 value 13, A3, A4 value 3. So given A2 is given, so 13. Okay, what is the value of A2? A2 formula A plus D equals to 13. A4 value A4 equals to 3. A4 formula A plus 3D equals to 3. Okay. Now this is say 1, say 2. Solve 1 and 2. So A plus D equals to 13. A plus 3D equals to 3. Now A1 and A3 find out here. So minus, minus, minus. Positive A, negative A cancel. D minus 3D minus 2D. 13 minus 3, 10. So D equals to D equals to 10 by minus 2, that is 5, minus 5. D equals to minus 5. Substitute D equals to minus 5 in 1 or 2. What is 1? What is 1? A plus D equals to 13. So A value is, we don't know the value of A plus D value is minus 5 equals to 13. So A equals to 13 minus 3 transpose right side plus minus 5 transpose right side plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. The value of A is 18. Therefore, first term is 18. See the next one. Third term A3 equals to A plus 2D. So A value is 18 plus 2. D value minus 5. So 18 plus into minus is minus. 2 5s are 10. 18 minus 10, so 8. So third term is 8. Third problem, third one. 5 dash A2, A3, 9 1 by 2, fourth term. So find the missing term, that means A2 and A3. Here A1 is given. What is the value of A1? A1 equals to 5. And A4 is given. A4 equals to 9 1 by 2. Okay, 9 1 by 2 value how much? 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. A4 is 19 by 2. So A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. The value of A is 5. 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. Okay. So 3D equals to 19 by 2. 5 transpose to right side minus 5. So that equals to 19. 2 5s are 10 by 2. 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. What is this? 3D. So D 3 times. Therefore D equals to 3 by 2. Now we will find A2 and A3. A2. A2 means A plus D. A plus D. The value of A is 5 plus D value 3 by 2. D value 3 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 by 2. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 2. 13 by 2. Next, A3 equals to A plus 2D. So A value is 5 plus 2. D value is 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. So the value of A2 is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 and A3 is 8. Coming to the fourth problem. A1 equals to minus 4 and A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A6 equals to 6. So A6 is nothing but A plus 5D equals to 6. Now A value, A1 is nothing but A minus 4 plus 5D equals to 6. 5D equals to 6 minus 4 transposed to right side plus 4. So 5D equals to 6 plus 4 is 10. D equals to 10. 5 transposed to right side divided by 5. How many times? 2 times. D equals to 2. Okay. Now we will find, already we know about A. Now we will find A2, A3, A4 and A5. So first A2. A2 is nothing but A plus D. A value is minus 4 plus D value 2. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Next A3. So A plus 2D. So A value minus 4 plus 2 times D value 2. Minus 4 plus 2 2s are 4. That equals to 0. Next A4. A plus 3D. So A value minus 4 plus 3D value 2. So minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Next A5. A5 equals to A plus 4D. So A value minus 4 plus 4, D value 2. So minus 4 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4 is 2. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So the value of A2 is minus 2, A3 is 0, A4 is 2, A5 is 4. Third problem, fifth. In the following APs, find the missing terms. A1, A3, A4, A5 are missing. Now we will find the terms. Given A2 is 38 and A3, A4, A5, A6 is given minus 22. So A2 means A plus D equals to 38. Say it is 1. A6 means A plus 5D equals to minus 22. This is say 2. Now solve 1 and 2. What is 1? A plus D equals to 38. What is 2? A plus 5D equals to minus 22. Solve 1 and 2. Minus plus. So A minus A get cancelled. D minus 5D is minus 4D equals to 38 plus 22, 60. So D equals to 60 by minus 4, that is 15 times. So D equals to minus 15. Okay. Substitute d equals to minus 15 in 1 or 2. What is 1? A plus d equals to 38. So a value, we don't know a value, plus d value minus 15 equals to 38. So a equals to 38 minus 15 transpose right side plus 15. So 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 balance, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. The value of a is 53. So therefore first term, a1 equals to 53. We know second term, third term, a3 equals to a plus 2d. A value 53 plus 2, d value minus 15. So 53 plus into minus is minus, 2 15 is a 30, that is 13. Next, fourth term, a4 equals to a plus 3d. So a value 53 plus 3, d value minus 15. So 53 plus into minus is minus, 3 15 is a 45, that is 8. Next, fifth term, a5 equals to a plus 4d. So a value 53 plus 4, d value minus 15. 53 plus into minus is minus, 4 15 is a 60. 53 minus 60 is minus 7. Therefore, the value of a1 is 53, a3 value 13, a4 value 8, a5 value minus 7. Exercise 5.2 progressions. Fourth problem. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 so on is 78? 3 is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. 78 is which term? Sixth term or seventh term or 10th term? What is the term? We will find that one. So a1 equals to first write the series, given sequence 3, 8, 13, 18 so on 78. Here first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13. We don't know which term it is. Say it is an equals to 78. So first to find the common difference. D equals to, what is the formula of common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3, 5. Now we will find the nth, n. So nth term is there, but we will find the n. So we know that an equals to 78. What is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 78. Here the value of a is 3 plus n minus 1, d value is 5 equals to 78. So 3 plus n minus 1. So 3 transpose right side, negative 3. So n minus 1 into 5 equals to 78 minus 3. So that is 75. So n minus 1 into 5 equals to 75. So n minus 1 equals to 5 transpose right side, 75 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So n minus 1 equals to 15. So n equals to minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So a 16th term is 78. Exercise 5.2. Fifth problem. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So first one is 7, 13, 19, so on 205. First term, second term, third term. Which term it is? Okay, how many terms? So we will find the value of n. So first, a1. a1 equals to 7. a2 13. a3 19. So this is the value an equals to 205. I don't know how many. What is the number of n here? So first term or second term, third term, which term it is? So find first common difference. D equals to a2 minus a1. So a2 is 13. a1 is 7. That is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay. Now an equals to how much? 205. Now we will find the value of n. What is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 205. So how many terms are there? So any terms ఉంటాయి. 10 terms ఉంటాయి, 20 terms ఉంటాయి, 30 terms ఉంటాయి. So we will find that one. So a is nothing but 7 plus n minus 1. D is the common difference 6 equals to 205. So n minus 1 into 6 equals to 205. 7 transpose to right side minus 7. So 205 minus 7 is 198. n minus 1 into 6 equals to 198. So n minus 1 equals to 198 by 6. How many times? 6. 6 3 is the 18. Again, one balance is there. 6 3 is the 18. 33. So n minus 1 equals to 33. n equals to 33. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. So 34. Therefore, the number of terms are 34. Okay. Coming to the second point. 8, 15 half, 13, so on, minus 47. Here a1 equals to 18. a2 equals to 15 half. a3 equals to 13. So here an equals to minus 47. So how many terms are there? So same concept. Find first convert this one into improper fraction. 2 15s are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2. a2 is 31 by 2. So first now find d. What is the value of d? a2 minus a1, that is 31 by 2 minus 18. See, 31 minus 2 18s are 36 by 2, that equals to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Now we will find the value of n. How many terms? So for that, first given an. So how much an? An equals to minus 47. So an formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 47. So here a value is 18 plus n minus 1. I don't know the value of n. First we will find that one only. N minus 1. D value is minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 47. So n minus 1 into minus 5 by 7, 5 by 2 equals to minus 47. 18 transpose to left right side minus 18. So 7 minus 47 minus 18. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 balance. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 65. So n minus 1 times minus 5 by 2. Minus minus get cancelled. So n minus 1 equals to 65. Here transpose right side, reciprocal of 5 by 2. 2 by 5. So 5 how many times? 13 times. 5 13 is a 65. N minus 1 equals to 13 times 2. So 13 times 2 is 26. N minus 1 equals to 26. So n equals to 26 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. 26 plus 1, 27. Therefore in this series number of terms are 27. Therefore the number of terms are 27. Exercise 5.2, problem 6, progressions. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2. ఈ సిరీస్ లో మైనస్ 150 అనే టర్మ్ ఉంటుందా ఉండదా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2, 4, 6, 8 so on. ఈ సిరీస్ లో 12 ఉంటుందా? yes ఉంటుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ వాట్ 10, 12. In the same series 11 is there. 11 ఉంటుంది ఈ సిరీస్ లో. So it is not possible. Okay. So now we will check that one. Okay. See now what is the given series? Given series is 11, 8, 5, 2 so on. Here what is the first term? A1 equals to 11, A2 equals to 8, A3 equals to 5. Okay, next A4 equals to 2. Let us say AN, so minus 150 is last term. Let equals to minus 150 let. Okay, so first find common difference. B equals to A2 minus A1. So what is the value of A2? 8 minus A1 is 11. Yes, so minus 3. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. So what is AN formula? AN value? AN equals to minus 150. AN equals to minus 150. What is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to minus 150. Okay, the value of A1 is 11 plus m minus 1. I don't know the value of n. N minus 1 into D value how much? Minus 3 equals to minus 150. Okay, so n minus 1 times minus 3 equals to minus 150. 11 transpose to right side minus 11. So n times of 3 is minus 3n. Minus of minus is plus 3 equals to minus 150 minus 7. So minus 161. So minus 3n equals to minus 161. This one transpose to right side minus 3. So minus 164. So 3n minus 3n equals to minus 164. Negative negative get cancelled. So 3n equals to 164. So n equals to 164 by 3. So 3 is the 164 is not divisible by 3. So this is not a natural number. So మనం ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, సెకండ్ టర్మ్, థర్డ్ టర్మ్, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ చెప్తాం కానీ మన minus 2 5 by 2 టర్మ్, 6 by 8 టర్మ్ ఇట్లా చెప్పాం కదా. సో n equal to 164 by 3 is not possible in which term? So this is not a natural number. Not equals to natural number. This is a rational number. So n equals to 164 by 3 అనే టర్మ్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి therefore minus 150 is not a term in the given series. Progressions, exercise 5.2, problem number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Find the 31st term whose 11th term is 38. Okay, 11th term is nothing but A11 equals to 38. A11 equals to 38. A11 is nothing but A plus 10D equals to 38. A plus 10D equals to 38. And one more term is there. A16th, 16th term is 73. So A16 equals to 73. A16 means A plus 15D equals to 73. Say it is 2. Okay. Now we will find the value of 31st term. So 31st term is A plus 30D. We want A and D also. Using these two, find A and D. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. What is 1? A plus 10d equals to 38. 2. A plus 15d equals to 73. So subtraction is signs opposite అయిపోతుంది. Minus into plus, plus into minus. So a negative a cancel. 10d minus 15d is minus 5d equals to 73 minus 18. 3 minus 5 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. So minus 35. So minus get cancelled. 5d equals to 35. D equals to 35 by 5. How many times? 7 times. So D equals to 7. Okay. Now substitute D equals to 7 in 1 or 2. Your wish. In 1. Here D value is 7. So A plus 10 times 7 equals to 38. So A plus 10 times 7, 70 equals to 38. So A equals to 38, 70 transpose to right side minus 70. So 70 minus 38 is 32. So minus 32. A equals to minus 32. Now we will find the value of 16th term. So A16 is nothing but A plus 15D. So A value is 32. Sorry, minus 32 plus 15. D value 7. So minus 32 plus 105. 15 7s are 105. 5 minus 2 is 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. So A16 equals to 73. Therefore 16th term in the given AP is 16th term A16 equals to 73. Arithmetic progression. Exercise 5.2. Problem 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. In an AP there are 50 terms, third term is 12. And the last term is A50 equals to 106, A3 equals to 12. Find the 29th term. So A29. Now we will find the value of A29. Arithmetic consists of 50 terms. So number of terms n equals to 50. Third term is given, that means A3 is given, that is 12. A3 is 12. A3 means what? A plus 2D equals to 12. So it is 1. Next, last term. Here how many terms are there? 50 terms. So A50 equals to 106. So A50 means A plus 49D equals to 106. Say it is 2. Okay. Subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1. Okay, what is 2? A plus 49D equals to 106. A plus 2D equals to 12. Subtraction means change the signs. So A negative A cancel. 49 minus 2 is 47. D equals to 6 minus 2 is 4, 94. So D equals to 94 by 47 2 times. So D equals to 2. Okay. Using D, find the value of A. Substitute D equals to 2 in 1. What is 1? A plus 2D equals to 12. A plus 2, D value 2 equals to 12. A plus 4 equals to 12. So A equals to 12 minus 4, that is 8. A equals to 8. Now we will find the value of 29th term. A29 equals to A plus 28. A value is 8 plus 28. D value 2. So 8 plus 28 2s are 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 4, 5. So 64. So A29 equals to 64. Therefore 29th term is 64. Problem number 9. If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Which term of this AP is 0? Okay. So third term 4, ninth term minus 8, and the term 0 equal to fifth term, 10th term, 11th term, which term it is equals to 0. So given A3 is third term is 4 and A9 is ninth term is minus 8. Okay. So A3 means what? A plus 2D. A plus 2D equals to 4. Say it is 1. A9 means A plus 8D equals to minus 8. Say it is 2. Solve 1 and 2. Now we will solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2 will solve change. So what is 2? A plus 8D equals to minus 8. 2 value how much? A plus 2D equals to 4. So minus. So positive and negative get cancelled. 8D minus 2D is 6D. Minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So D equals to minus 12 by 6. How many times? 2 times. So D equals to minus 2. Okay. Now substitute D value in 1 or 2. Substitute D equals to minus 2 in 1 or 2. What is 1? A plus 2D equals to 4. A plus 2D value minus 2 equals to 4. So A plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4 equals to 4. So A equals to 4, minus 4 transpose right side plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Now which term of this AP is 0? Let us find let a term ni AN anukondi. A term no term meeku 0 avutadi AN anukondi. So what is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. Now we will find the value of n. N innodi avutunda cheppali. So A value is 8 plus n minus 1. D value is minus 2 equals to 0. So n minus 1 multiply with minus 2. 8 transpose right side 0 minus 8 is nothing but minus 8. N minus 1 equals to minus 8. Okay. Minus 2 transpose right side divided by minus 2. So 8 minus minus cancel 4. So n minus 1 equals to 4. So n equals to 4. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore A fifth term in the series of AP is 0. Therefore the fifth term is 0. Problem 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. 17th term 10th term కంటే 7 ఎక్కువ ఉంది. More than 7 exceeds. అయితే common difference D ఏంటో find out చేయాలి. Common difference is nothing but D. Okay, see. Given 17th term is nothing but A17 of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. 7 ఎక్కువ ఉంది. So A17 value how much? A plus 16D. A17 equals to A plus 16D. A10 equals to A plus 9D plus 7. A plus 9D plus 7. So A get cancelled. 16D equals to 9D plus 7. 16D equals to 9D plus 7. So 16D, 9D transpose left side minus 9D equals to 7. 16D minus 9D is 7D. 7D equals to 7. So D equals to 7. This 7 transpose right side divided by 7. So 7 how many times? 1 time. So D equals to 1. So the final answer is common difference is 1. Common difference. Common difference D is 1. Problem number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? ఈ సిరీస్ లో ఏ టర్మ్ 54th టర్మ్ కంటే 132 ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో అది 68th టర్మ్, 62th టర్మ్, 65th టర్మ్. నౌ వి వాంట్ టు సే దట్ వన్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ది గివెన్ సిరీస్? 3 గివెన్ సిరీస్. Given series 3, 15, 27, 39 so on. Here A1 equals to 3, A2 equals to 15, A3 equals to 27, A4 equals to 39. So first find the common difference. What is the common difference formula? D equals to A2 minus A1, that is 15 minus 3, that is 12. Okay, also given that which term? So I don't know the number which term it is. Say it is an. An equals to 132. 132 more means plus 132 plus its 54th term. So what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 132 plus A54 means A plus 53d. Okay, now observe that A get cancelled. So n minus 1 into d equals to 132 plus 53d. Okay, now we will find the value of n. So n minus 1 into what is the value of d? 12 equals to 132 plus 53 into 12. So 12 times of n is 12n. 12 times of 1 is 12 equals to 132 plus 53 12 are 12 3 is 36, 3 balance, 12 5 is 60, 60 plus 3 is 63. So now 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 768. 12n minus 12 equals to 768. So 12n equals to 768 minus 12 transpose to right side plus 12. Okay, so 12n equals to 768 plus 12. 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 balance, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, so 780. n equals to 780, 12 transpose to right side divided by 12. So 12 5 is 60, 12 6 is 72, 12 6 is 72, 6 balance, 6 0, 12 5 is 60. Therefore, the 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Therefore, the 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Problem 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Okay. Two APs are there. Two APs having the same common difference. Okay, common difference. So their 100th difference between their 100 terms are. So 100 terms and 100 అవుతుంది. అయితే 1000 టర్మ్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత అవుతుందో మీకు చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు టూ ఏపీస్ ఏమనుకుంటారంటే, ఓకే లెట్ ద టూ ఏపీస్ ఆర్ సి వన్స్ లెట్ ద టూ ఏపీస్ ఆర్ A1, A2, A3 so on. Another one is B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3 so on. Okay, here difference between their hundreds term is, so a 100 minus b 100 is given how much? 100. A 100 minus b 100 is 100. What is the formula of a 100? A plus 99d. A plus 99d minus b 100 is nothing but b plus 99d equals to 100. So a plus 99d minus b, minus into plus is minus 99d equals to 100. So negative 99d, positive 99d cancel. So a minus b equals to 100. A minus b equals to 100. Okay, keep like this. Next, now we will find a 1000, difference between their 1000 terms. That means a 1000 minus b 1000. A 1000 is nothing but a plus 999d. A plus 999d minus b 1000 is nothing but b plus 999d. So a plus 999d minus b, minus into plus is minus 999d. So minus 999d plus 999d cancel. So a minus b, but a minus b value how much? 100. Therefore, difference of a 1000 minus b 1000 equals to 100. What is the value of a minus b? 100. That means the difference between their 1000 terms also 100. Therefore, the difference between their 1000 terms, is 100. Problem number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 3? See, what is the first 3-digit number? First 3-digit number is 100. Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 7? Check once. 7 1s are 7, 3, 7 4s are 28. It is not divisible by 3. So the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is C. 100 plus 5. 105. See the solution. The numbers, the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7 are, first 3-digit number is 100 plus 5, 105. Next one is 105 plus 7, 112. Next is 119, so on. We don't know last 3-digit number. So, what is the last 3-digit number? 999. Okay. Is it divisible by 7? Check once. 7 1s are 7. 2. 7 4s are 28. 1. 9. 7 2s are 14. So 5. So remainder is 5. So 999 minus 5. So 499. 994 is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So the question is how many are there? See here, what is the first term? A1 equals to 105. A2 equals to 112. A3 equals to 119. So on. This is the last term. I don't know the value. So 994. A equals to 994. Okay. First find the common difference. First check is it AB or not? A2 minus A1. So 112 minus 115, that is 7. So A3 minus A2. So 119 minus 112. So this is also 7. So A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. So difference is same. So the given series or the given information is in AP. So what is the common difference formula? Common difference. First find common difference. Common difference D equals to A2 minus A1. The value is 7. Okay. So first now, what is the nth term here? An equals to and An equals to 994. Nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 994. Okay. So here A is the first term. What is the first term here? 105 plus n minus 1. So n find out cheyali, n minus 1. What is D here? 7. So equals to 994. So n minus 1 into 7 equals to 994 minus 105. So 4 minus 5 is 9. 8 minus 0 is 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 889. N minus 1 into 7. So n minus 1 equals to 889. 7 transpose right side divided by 7. So 7 1 is 7. 1 balance, 7 2 is 14. 4 balance, 7 7 is 49. 127. So n minus 1. But I want n. N equals to 127 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. That equals to 128. So here how many terms are there which are divisible by 7? 128. The number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7 are, how many are there? 128. Problem 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Okay. 10 की 250 की मध्य ఎన్ని నంబర్స్ 4 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి ఎన్ని 4 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి 10 की 250 की మధ్యలో సో 10 is it multiple of 4 no next number is 11 is it multiple of 4 no next number is 12 so 12 is the multiple of 4 so the first number is 12 from the given information. First multiple is 12. So next 16. Next 20. So on. 250. Is it a multiple of 4? No. Because 50. Check last 2 digits. 50 is not divisible by 4. Next before number is 49. 49 also not divisible by 4. So next before number is 48. 248. 248 is divisible by 4 because by divisible rule of 4, check the last 2 digits. 4 ones, 4 12. So it is divisible by 4. 248 is divisible by 4. So 248. This is a multiple of 4. Okay. So how many are there? How many multiples of A1? A1 equals to 12. A2 equals to 16. A3 equals to 20. So on. An equals to 248. So A2 minus A1. First check is it arithmetic progression or not. If the arithmetic progression అవుతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. So A2 minus A1 equals to 16 minus 12. That is 4. Next. Check next A3 minus A2. A3 value how much? 20. A2 value 16. So 20 minus 16 also 4. See the difference between these two terms is same. So A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 value, A3 minus A2 value same వచ్చింది కాబట్టి so the given information is in AP. The given information is in AP. So AP lo what is the common difference? D equals to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 value how much? 4. Okay. Now and An also, what is the value of An? An equals to 248. Now we will find the value of N. How many terms? How many terms is nothing but N. So An is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 248. So here A value, A is nothing but A1. How much? 12. So a1 is 12 plus n minus 1. D is 4, common difference is 4, equals to 248. So n minus 1 times 4 equals to 248. 12 transpose to right side minus 12. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 236. So n minus 1 into 4. So n minus 1 equals to 236. 4 transpose to right side divided by 4. So how many times 4? 5 is that 20, 4 9 is that 36. 36 times 4, 30, so 4 59 times. So n minus 1 equals to 59. N equals to 59 minus 1 transpose to right side plus 1. So 59 plus 1 is 60. So the value of n is 60. So number of multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 is 60. Therefore, number of multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 are how many? 60. Problem 15. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. Okay. ఈ టూ సిరీస్ లో ఈ టూ ఏపీస్ లో ఎక్కడ మీకు సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ వస్తాయి? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 63 హియర్ 3, 65 సెకండ్ టర్మ్ హియర్ 10, 67 థర్డ్ టర్మ్ హియర్ 17. ఒక చోట రెండు కూడా సేమ్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. ఎక్కడ? వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ? ఓకే. సో నౌ వి విల్ ఫైండ్ దట్ వన్. సో వాట్ ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ద సిరీస్ 63, 65, 67 so on. Second one 3, 10, 17 so on. Okay. So first one is say a1 equal to 63, a2 equals to 65, a3 equal to 67. Find the common difference. D equals to a2 minus a1, that is 65 minus 63, 2. Here also find the common difference. Let us say these terms b1 equals to 3, b2 equals to 10, b3 equals to 17 so on. Okay. Here also common difference is b2 minus b1. b2 minus b1. So 10 minus 3, that is 7. Okay. Here one condition is there. All the nth terms of two APs are equal. Okay. So for what value of n all the nth terms of two APs are equal. These two APs are equal nth terms. What is the nth term here? Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value of a63 plus n minus 1? D is 2. This is an. Okay. Here say bn. Nth term is say bn. Okay. What is the formula? B plus n minus 1 into d. Here b is nothing but b1 first term. 3 plus n minus 1, d value is 7. Okay. Given nth terms are equal. So nth terms are equal means what? an equals to bn. Nth terms are equal means an equals to bn. What is the value of an? 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Okay. Now 63 plus n times of 2 is 2n minus 1 times of 2 is minus 2 equals to 3 plus n times of 7 is 7n minus 7. Okay. So 63 minus 2 is 61. 61 plus 2n equals to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 plus 7n. Now కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అన్న వైపు n అన్న వైపు తీసుకెళ్ళండి. సో 7n here 7n is there. Okay, first 61 minus 4 transpose left side plus 4 equals to 7n. These 2n transpose left side, right side minus 2n. 61 plus 4 is 65 equals to 5n. So 65, 5 transpose left side divided by 5 equals to n. 65 by 5 is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So n equals to 15. Therefore 13th term, ఇక్కడ 13th term second series లో 13th term same values వస్తాయి. Okay. Therefore 13th term in the series are equal. Therefore the 13th term in the both APs are equal. Problem 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Okay. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Okay. Given third term is A3 is given, that is the value 16. So A3 is nothing but A plus 2D equals to 16. Say it is 1. Okay. And the 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. That means, and the 7th term A7 exceeds 5th term by A5 plus 7. 7th term anedi 5th term into 12 inkondi kabatti A5 plus 12. What is the value of, what is the formula of A7? A plus 6D. A plus 6D. A5 means A plus 4D plus 12. Okay. Now see, A get cancelled. Now 6D equals to 4D plus 12. So 6D 4D transpose to left side minus 4D equals to 12. 6D minus 4D is 2D equals to 12. So D equals to 12 by 2. 2 how many times? 6 times. So D equals to 6. Okay. Now substitute the value of A using D. Substitute D equals to 6 in 1 or 2. What is 1? A plus 2D equals to 16. So A plus 2D value 6 equals to 16. A plus 2 6 are 12 equals to 16. A equals to 16, 12 transpose right side minus 12, that equals to 4. A equals to 4. Now we will find the AP. Determine the AP. Now we will find the AP terms. So first term A1 equals to 4. Second term A2 equals to A plus D. So A value 4, D value 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Third term A3 equals to A plus 2D. That equals to A value how much? 4 plus 2, D value 6. 4 plus 2 6 are 12, that is 16. Okay. Now fourth term A4 equals to A plus 3D. So A value 4 plus 3, D value 6. So 4 plus 3 6 are 18, that is 22. So determine the AP. Therefore the AP is, what is the first term? 4, next 10, 16, 22, so on. Binomial expansion, exercise 7.1, problem 7. Find the number of terms in the expansion of 3a by 4 plus b by 2 whole power 9. Second problem, 3p plus 4q whole power 14. Okay. First, how many terms are there in the binomial expansion of a plus b whole power n? A plus b whole power n lo ఎన్ని terms ఉంటాయి? A plus b whole power n ఎన్ని terms ఉంటాయి? See, number of terms in the binomial expansion a plus b whole power n. Binomial expansion a plus b whole power n is n plus 1, because See the previous problem I said the x plus 1 whole power 6, expansion of x plus 1 whole power 6. How many terms are there in the x plus 1 whole power 6? 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Total how many are there? 7 terms are there. So that means 6 plus 1. That means 6 plus 1. So 7 terms. Similarly, number of terms in the binomial expansion a plus b whole power n is a plus b whole power n is n plus 1. Now check the first problem. Easy problem. 3a by 4. Okay, 3a by 4 plus b by 2. Okay, see. Number of terms in the binomial expansion. Number of terms in the binomial expansion. 3a by 4 plus b by 2 whole power 9 is, how many are there? Say now, how many are there? Equals to 9 plus 1. So n is how much? 9. The formula is 9 plus 1, n plus 1. So 9 plus 1, that equals to 10. Second one, number of terms in the binomial expansion. Number of terms in the binomial expansion. Second one is what? 3p plus 4q. 3p plus 4q whole power 14. Same concept. A plus b whole power n is n plus 1. So here 14 plus 1, that is 15. Progressions. Exercise 5.2. Problem 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, so on to 53. This is the first term. Second term, third term, so on. Last term. From the last, this is first term. Previous is second. Previous is third. That like, what is the 20th term from the last? Chivar nunchi 20th term you. Okay, first. What is the given sequence? 3, 8, 13, so on, 253. Okay. Last term, not last term, nth term from the end. The formula is a plus n minus m into b. Here a is number of terms, m is last term from the end, nth term from the end, d is the common difference. Okay. Now here n is there, we don't know the value of n. First find the value of n. Okay, since this is the first term, a1 equals to how much? 3. Here a2 is 8, a3 is 13, an is 253. Okay, d equals to how much? a2 minus a1, that is 8 minus 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5. And an equals to how much? 253. What is the nth term formula in AP? So a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 253. So here a value 3 plus n minus 1 into d value 5 equals to 253. So n minus 1 into 5 equals to 253. 3 transformation right side minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 equals to 250. So n minus 1 equals to 250 by 5, that is 50. N minus 1. So n equals to 50. Minus 1 transformation right side plus 1. So 50 plus 1 is 51. Now we will find the nth term. Okay. Nth term from the end equals to, what is the formula? A plus n minus m into b. Here a value how much? A value is 3 plus, what is the value of n? 51. n is 51. Which one we will find? 20th term from the end, that is the m. So m equals to 20. M equals to 20. So 20, d value 5. So 3 plus 51 minus 20 is 31 into 5. 3 plus 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 3 plus 155 is 158. So this is the nth term. Okay, now 20th term. 20th term from the end equals to 3 plus 51 minus here m equals to 20 into 5. So 3 plus 51 minus 20 is 31 into 5. 3 plus 31 times of 5 is 155. 3 plus 155 is 158. Arithmetic progression, exercise 5.2, problem 18. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. The sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. Okay, that means, see the solution. Sum of, what is given? Sum of 4th and 8th terms is 24. So sum of 4th and 8th term is nothing but A4 plus A8 equals to 24. A4 plus A8 equals to 24. And one more condition is there. Okay. Sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. Sum of 6th and 10th terms. 10th terms is 44. 6th means what? A6. 10th means A10 equals to 44. This is the given condition. Now first find the values of first 3 terms. So A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. Plus A8 is A plus 7D equals to 24. Okay, now A plus A is 2A plus 3D plus 7D is 10D equals to 24. Okay, this is say 1. Here A6 is nothing but A plus 5D. A plus 5D. A10 means A plus 9D equals to 44. Okay. Now A plus A is 2A. 5D plus 9D is 14D equals to 44. Say it is 2. Okay. Subtract 1 from 2. So what is 2? 2A plus 14D equals to 44. What is 1? 2A plus 10D equals to 24. Subtract means change the signs. So 2A into 2A cancel. 14D minus 10D is 4D. 44 minus 24 is 20. So D equals to 20 over 4. That means 5. So 4 how many times? 5 times. Substitute D equals to 5 in 1 or 2. Your wish. In 1. What is 1? 2A plus 10D equals to 24. So 2A plus 10, D value 5 equals to 24. Okay. So 2A plus 50. 10 5 is 50 equals to 24. Okay. Next. So 2A equals to 50 transpose to right side 24 minus 50. 24 minus 50, that is 2A equals to negative 26. So A equals to negative 26 by 2, that is 13. So A equals to minus 13. Now first find the first 3 terms. So first term. What is first term? First term A1 equals to how much? A1 equals to A. How much that is? Negative 13. Okay. Second term. A2 equals to the formula is A plus D. A value minus 13 plus D value 5. Minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Next, third term A3 equals to formula A plus 2D. So A is minus 13 plus 2, D value 5. So minus 13 plus 2 5 is 10. Minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. Arithmetic progression, exercise 5.2, problem 19. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. Every year he received 200 rupees increment. So in which year did his income reach 7,000? Okay, how much? In which year? Yes, how much? 7,000 rupees Starting salary anta 1995 of 5,000 rupees. Every year తనకి 200 రూపీస్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ వస్తుంది. సో ఏ సంవత్సరంలో తనకి 7,000 రూపీస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సి క్వశ్చన్, సి ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ సొల్యూషన్. ఇనిషియల్ salary, Subbara's initial salary. Initial salary. How much? 5,000 rupees. That is first term. Okay. Increment. Every year increment 200 rupees. Increment equals to rupees 200. That is what? Common difference. Okay. In which year he reached 7,000? So let it be say N, AN. So AN equals to 7,000 rupees. So A means what? A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 7,000. First find the value of N. So A value 5,000 plus N minus 1, D value 200 equals to 7,000. So N minus 1 into 200 equals to 7,000. 5,000 transpose right side minus 5,000. So 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000. N minus 1 into 200 equals to 2,000. So N minus 1 equals to 2,000 by 200. So 0 zeros cancel. So 2 how many times? 10 times. N minus 1 equals to 10. N equals to 10 plus 1. That is 11. N equals to 11. Okay. See, in the first year 1995, his salary is 5,000. Okay. So nth year means starting from 1995 to 11 years. See, here N equal to 1 corresponds to N equals to 1. N equals to 1 means first year. N equal to 1 corresponds to first year salary, that is 1995. Okay. And N equals to 11 corresponds to his income. Since N equals to 1 corresponds to first year, that is 1995. Corresponds to the year 1995. Corresponds to the year 1995. Okay. So the 11th year corresponds to 11th year which is 11th year corresponds to, okay, 1995 plus 99. Don't write 11 minus 1. 11th year వచ్చేస్తుంది. 11th year అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రావట్లేదు. 11th year స్టార్టింగ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి 11 minus 1, that equals to 1995 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay, 1995 plus 10 is 2005. He reached 7,000 rupees in the year 2005. Okay, Subbarao reached. Okay, Subbarao reached his income 7,000 rupees in the year 2005. Arithmetic progression, exercise 5.2, 20th problem. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. In the nth week, her weekly savings become 20.75. Find the value of N. How many weeks after she savings is 20.75? Initial savings how much? So 5. Initial savings is 5 rupees. Okay. Ramkali. Initial savings. That is 5 rupees. This is the first step. So weekly increment how much? 1.75. Weekly increment is rupees 1.75. This is common difference. Okay. Now How many weeks after she got 20.75? Okay, ఎన్ని వీక్స్ తర్వాత తనకి 20.75 రూపీస్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, let it be an. ఓకే, given an equals to 20.75. okay, what is the value, what is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 20.75. now we will find the value of n. what is the value of a? First term is 5 plus n minus 1 into d, common difference is 1.75 equals to 20.75. so n minus 1 into 1.75, 5 transpose to right side, 20.75 minus 5. okay, n minus 1 into 1.75 equals to 20.75 minus 5 is 15.75. so n minus 1 equals to 15.75. 1.75 transpose right side divided to 1.75. okay, so in this numerator 2 decimal points are there. Here also decimal of 2 numbers are there, decimal of 2 numbers are there. so avoid decimals. n minus 1 equals to 1575 by 175. okay, 25 sevens 175, 25 6 150, so 25 threes. so n minus 1 equals to 63 by 7. how many times? 9 times. so n minus 1 equals to 9. so n equals to 9, minus 1 transpose right side plus 1, so 10. n equals to 10. okay, okay, so here weekly savings, if in the nth week her weekly savings become 20.75. so find the value of n. so in the 10th week, okay, her savings will be okay, her savings will be 20.75.